Alright, so Moon Serpent and Bone, Ostara Market, is held in Poughkeepsie, New York at Locust Grove Estate. It's run by my friend Amy, who runs Otherworldly Waxes, and she's been running Moon Serpent and Bone for, I think, 6 or 7 years. I think this is actually like the 7th annual Ostara Market. Trying to remember what the flyer says. But I'm really passionate about these events because I've been with them for so long, and being able to see Amy grow, and having known Amy before she made the event and everything, and getting to see her grow as an event host and honestly becoming one of my favorite event hosts, like, I'm so excited to continue to be blessed by being a part of this. So this one's at Locust Grove. It's in Poughkeepsie. It's like this old, it's really beautiful. It's this old like event space, but it's got gardens and stuff behind it. So it's honestly the perfect place for an Ostara market and welcoming in spring. I've got some event prep I gotta do. I gotta restock some tea light candles. I've gotta organize my crap. Because it's all still in chaos from Lich, because I came back from Lich, immediately got the plague, and have been down for the count until now, which is Tuesday at 4:20, blaze it. I don't know why I'm like this. I'm so sorry, but also I'm not. So yeah, let's get on to the event prep. Oh, I should probably talk finances for this one. This one is local to me. Poughkeepsie's only about an hour from me, so it's as local as it can be for me because I live in the middle of nowhere. I think the event space was less than $100 for a spot. I'm not 100% sure off the top of my head, but really, honestly, this is an average cost event for me, so we're gonna see if I can make some money and dig myself out of the hole that I'm in from the last event that I did this season. So, alright, on to the event prep. Let's go. Montage, baby. So tomorrow is Moon Serpent and Bone's Ostara Market. I'm 90% of the way packed up. I just have to pack up a couple more things. I need to work on Ostara mystery bags, because I always do a seasonal mystery bag for Moon Serpent and Bone markets. I gotta check to make sure I'm not like super low on any candles, or at least any candles that I have the supplies to make more of before tomorrow. But everything's pretty much still packed up from Lich, so I've got that going for me. I didn't have to pack up too much. I do have to make a sign for the top of my booth. So that means I gotta dig out my Cricut and do that, so I'll probably put some of that footage in here, but other than that, I'm pretty ready to go. I'm gonna finish listening to Butcher and Blackbird while I make up these mystery bags, and drink my protein coffee, which is thankfully not cookies and cream flavored, because I've heard bad things. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. We thought we had it all good, and then we realized that this font is going to be a problem, which sucks because I really like this font, and I keep telling her, I'm like, I can change the font, like, if this is gonna rip up the Cricut, we'll change the font. But she's like, no, we're gonna fix the font, because she likes the font too. So this simple project has become more of an undertaking than we thought. This is what the sign looks like with its reflectors. It's so cool. All packed up finally. We're on our way to Moon Serpent and Bone.
So we made a wrong turn, but it worked out because we found that really cool tea place. Life. Got Yuri on ice.
Sailor Jupiter. Sailor Jupiter.
She also wants to show that, I don't know if you can see them, but they have little hearts in them. Strawberry jelly hearts. Those are really cute. So these are gonna look very subdued today, but not bad. We are an hour and a half in, and it's going really good. This is my favorite event, and the spring one is always my favorite too, because you can just feel the energy of like everybody ready to start the year. So definitely having fun, seeing a lot of our regulars. It's going really great. All right. Half an hour left here, and this event basically is one of my favorites for a reason. I have regulars here, and it makes me so happy whenever they come and shop with me and everything. And it's really fun. It's a really great way to start off the year and continue to push it in the right direction. So I thought I would show you guys our best sellers. So Mother Goddess wins for today. She was our best seller, which is really great because I just made her for Ostara and everything. So she's definitely the energy. The other bestseller we had was Daughters of Lilith, which is another new one, which I think can go without saying why that one's doing so well. And then the last one is Let That Shit Go, which is honestly one of our best sellers normally, so I'm not surprised in the slightest, but yeah, so those were our 3 top sellers for Moon Serpent and Bone. I also want to do an honorable mention because Medusa's Blessing is coming in really close to Daughters of Lilith and Let That Shit Go, so I figured I should show y'all Medusa's Blessing too. And this is my personal favorite candle blend. I really like this one, and then I also really like, do I even have, oh yeah, Greek to Me. So these are my 2 personal favorites. We are back in the workshop. It is the Monday after Moon Serpent and Bone, and I wanted to touch base and kind of talk about the event a little bit. So it was fantastic. Moon Serpent and Bone is one of my favorite events, and I say that all the time because it's true. I've been a part of it for I think 6 years now. This is the 7th year that they've done the Ostara market, and I don't think I did the first Ostara market because I just didn't know about it. I'm really bad at finding out about events. But as soon as I realized that my friend was doing this, I was just like, I need to try to get into that market. And thankfully, I've gotten into the market quite a few times now. I'm very blessed by that. And I'm to the point where I have regulars and I'm seeing this community that's being built, and it's just, it makes what I do so much more worth it. And it really helps when you're surrounded by passionate people. And Amy, who runs the event, she's so passionate about it. And you can just see the love that she has for the event and doing it and everything. And I told her at the end of the event how proud I was of her. I was like event hungover and I felt really awkward about it, but I was like, I'm just really proud of you. This event was just, it made me really, like, it restored my faith in humanity a little bit, just because the last couple events I've done have just been pretty blah. Especially coming out of Lich, where I didn't make back anything and I had to take the L, knowing that my Moon Serpent and Bone numbers were the same and it didn't take a hit, really made me feel great. And I made more in the first hour at Moon Serpent and Bone than I made the entire weekend at Lich. Which just puts things into perspective for me. Other than like a couple fun events, I'm gonna try to stay local to the Hudson Valley, and I'm hoping that I get into some more Moon Serpent and Bone events because it really feels like my people, and I'm so grateful to see familiar faces and just be a part of it. I feel like a little fangirl for the event, but I really am a fangirl for the event. So, alright, I'm gonna put the graph up. My next event is a big game market that's this weekend in Albany, no, Troy, in Troy. It's a pop-up. I'm sharing a booth with Literary Lyoko, which is my sister's event. We're sharing my sister's shop. We're sharing a 6-foot table, and then my future sister-in-law is going to be there, and she is going to be selling her artwork. She is Fantasy Canvas by Luna, and she's an artist, and I get to see her and my brother, and I'm very excited. And yeah, so I will film that, hopefully, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Here's that graph.